Today, for the Bitcoin price, the global economic policy uncertainty is at an all-time high. The history shows that uncertainty inevitably drives the Bitcoin and gold price higher. People can say it is horrible to capitalize on a crisis or a war, but it's everyone's duty to protect your wealth in these uncertain times. We will talk about the monthly global economic policy uncertainty index, which is hitting right now all-time highs, as you can see right here. And also just in, Iran raised the red flag over the holy dome of Jamkaran Mosque. And according to all these American newspapers, that means that they are actually saying that severe battles are about to come and about to expect it. And as you can see on the other side, also Donald Trump today in the morning just tweeted out that they have a lot of new $2 trillion worth of military equipment, which they will not hesitate to send towards Iran if anything happens. So the global economic uncertainty will inevitably probably be even higher day by day. So we will show you some statistics, how the gold price and also the Bitcoin price reacts to this uncertainty. And also, guys, very, very important, with all these horrible news within the last days, Bitcoin is now for the first time finally going above the 2-year moving average here, as also pointed out by Philip Swift. And if this daily candle is actually about to close above that, we will find the price being above for the first time since the 21st of November 2019. And the last time we actually have seen the Bitcoin price spiking above was with this massive pump to the upside. Guys, you definitely do not want to miss out on that, so make sure you take a seat. Make sure you smash up the like button right now. And that being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris. And as always, we are really, really pumped to go straight into the content since it's really interesting times. And as you can see, we just tweeted out here the global economic policy uncertainty index. In times of central banks lowering interest rates and bond yield curves getting inverted, this is getting higher and higher. And just in, you can see there are so many news articles stating that Iran just unveiled the red flag at the mosque, warning that severe battles are about to come. So this red flag actually, which you can see also here in this article, which was unveiled just a few hours ago, means that Iran is, if there are any attacks, willing to go into a war. But it's not only Iran putting out these signals, it's also the United States, led by Donald Trump right here. And you can see this tweet, which is going viral, is stating by Donald Trump that they have just spent $2 trillion on military equipment, and that they are the biggest and, as he says, by far also the best country in the world. And if Iran attacks the American base or any American, we will be sending some of that brand new beautiful equipment their way and without hesitation. So it means both of these countries, and both of these countries have atom bombs, both of these countries have a huge army, are willing to go into that war. And both of these sides actually have a lot of potential and already existing allies on their side. So many people right now say that this is actually a possibility of us going into the World War III, which we, of course, we hope it is not going to happen. We hope this stays like something like a Cold War without any future death. But coming back now to the Bitcoin topic, if you look at this chart right here, and this is even a little bit outdated, it's a year old or so. As you can see right now, we are already at a massive all-time high, and this is not even factoring in the January, as you can see right now. It's only factoring in something like up to November, maybe 2018. So if you are checking out this statistic, you can basically see, if you just factor out the financial crisis here, which led us to a negative correlation, you can see that every spike in the economic uncertainty, only in the United States, not even talking about the global one, we don't have a chart for that, you can see that this one actually positively and highly positively correlates with the price of gold. You can see that here in each and every spike, in every extreme of uncertainty, you also can see an extreme in the price of gold. And as you already know from many, many articles and statistics, not only gold, but also Bitcoin Bitcoin is acting as some kind of safe haven since it's sound money. And you can see in this very nice article here of Hacker Noon, we will leave it also in the description or in the pinned comment down below. They are saying for the positive impact on gold and Bitcoin prices, and they are also talking about the economic uncertainty, they are saying, so we have determined that the possibility of an economic crisis is pushing people towards much safer stores of value, free from the influence of world governments. But why are bearish investors holding more crypto and gold? And you can basically see in this article that there's a positive correlation of the bearishness of equity investors and the holding they have in gold and Bitcoin. So also other reports also show that bearish investors are currently weighing the risks and opportunities in gold and cryptocurrencies as the dollar weakens and global uncertainty increases. And if we are talking about economic uncertainty, all of these uncertainties are actually interdependent on each other. And you can see that here: trade wars, currency wars, inflation, changing economic policy. Unfortunately, these things here, like maybe and hopefully not upcoming wars, will probably also positively impact the Bitcoin price. Of course, Bitcoin is somehow uncharted territory. We don't have so much history, but looking only at gold, and for gold we have a huge history. We know for a fact, we know for a certainty that increasing economic policy uncertainty is actually driving the price of gold higher. Thus, and that's our bet, and you can let us know in the comment section down below, it will inevitably also drive the price of Bitcoin higher. There is a poll popping up on top of the screen right now. Make sure you click it and let us know if you think that the economic policy uncertainty is going to drive the Bitcoin price higher, lower, or if there will be no effect whatsoever. And also leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. We also want to make you aware of a fact. Many people were reaching out to us and they were saying with all that Bybit stuff, like they are pushing out so many bonuses, I don't have any clue what's going on right there. So if you want to be eligible for all the bonuses, everything you have to do is just click that link in the pinned comment and you are eligible for all future bonuses. For all future bonuses, only by clicking that link and making an account below us. Also, there's a nice 3 commas discount, like 40% or so if you're interested in that. And also, guys, as mentioned earlier, you can see that the Bitcoin price was just going above the 2-year, the 730-day moving average here for the first time since the 21st of November, as you can see it right here. And this is actually a very bullish thing, only looking at the Bitcoin price. So right now we are looking at the price of Bitcoin closing above that. But remember, we are here on a Sunday, so probably we will see something like a new CME gap opening tomorrow. But more about that tomorrow on our MMCrypto channel. So make sure you're subscribed. The YouTube algorithm is actually changing right now. So if you want to make sure you are not missing out on time-sensitive information on our channel every single day, make sure you go down and you click the little subscribe button and also the little bell notification down below. Make sure you click it right now, and we will see each other tomorrow at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.